Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a super straightforward guide on how to transfer Dogecoin from Exmo to Coinbase in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this process is easier than you think and can be done in just a few minutes. Let's dive right in and get your Dogecoin moving securely. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Exmo and Coinbase. If you don't, head over to their websites, sign up, and verify your accounts. It's crucial for security. Once that's done, log into your Exmo account and navigate to your Dogecoin wallet. Check your balance to ensure you have enough Doge to transfer, and remember to account for any network fees. Next, switch over to Coinbase. Log in, go to your Dogecoin wallet, and copy your receiving address. This is a unique string of letters and numbers. Double-check it to avoid any mistakes, as sending to the wrong address could mean losing your funds forever. Now, back on Exmo, find the withdrawal section for Dogecoin. Paste the Coinbase address you just copied, enter the amount you want to transfer, and review the transaction details. You'll see fees involved, so make sure you're comfortable with those before proceeding. Hit confirm, and you'll likely need to complete a two-factor authentication step for extra security. After initiating the transfer, it might take a few minutes to an hour for the Dogecoin to show up on Coinbase, depending on network congestion. Once it's there, verify the deposit in your Coinbase wallet. And that's it, you've successfully transferred your Dogecoin. A quick word of caution: always use official apps and websites, and never share your private keys. If you're new to crypto, consider starting with a small amount to practice. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.